Exactly how'd it go?
I'm walking out and I'm on the phone and he was like, oh, I need to check and make sure you scanned everything. I'm like, I scanned everything and I kept walking.
Okay.
Oh, what do we have here? Police surprise Walmart thief in traffic after stealing groceries. This should be a banger.
On April 12th, 2026, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle matching the description of one reportedly involved in a recent shoplifting incident at Walmart.
Damn. And an F-150 4x4, she got a little bread. What is that, Laredo?
Can you roll down the window for me? What happened over at Walmart?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Okay, they were calling saying that you guys stole a bunch of groceries.
First off, you driving a truck like this that's what, about 60, 70,000. If you got the money to be driving this type of truck around, why is you stealing?
I didn't steal nothing.
Okay, you got an ID on you? Is this your truck?
This is my step.
Big titty.
Okay, cool. You got insurance on it?
Yeah, let me charge my phone up.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, I didn't steal nothing. That
Okay.
lady went over my stuff at the register. I'm like, I don't have to. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I paid for all my stuff.
Okay, that's fine.
She a damn lie.
What all you get?
Just simple groceries and stuff.
Okay, I got you. Whose car is it? You said?
This is my stepdaddy car.
What's your stepdaddy's name?
Oh, never mind. This ain't her car.
Okay.
Stepdaddy is crazy.
His birthday?
No,
About how old is he?
55 maybe.
Okay, you work on that insurance for me?
That's a nice truck, too.
That's fine. Once it gets turned on, just get it pulled up. All right, in a minute.
Sorry, my car charger sucks. If you could
You're
just
good.
give me a second.
Yeah, that's fine. Who was with you when you were shopping?
Nobody.
Okay, it was just you?
It was just me.
Okay.
It was just me. I was the one that was just stealing. That's it.
All right, that's fine.
I told him that other lady was not with me. Like, I was talking to her, but you get what I'm
What
saying?
other lady?
I'm just a friendly person. She wasn't with me. I scanned my stuff. I'm not, get the right person. Don't try to
Right.
stop me and say, just because I'm speaking, that's like me being in line talking to you.
Right.
We were conversating and stuff.
Okay. All right, well, they're getting it sorted out, so we'll figure that out here in a second. You just keep working on that insurance,
I got
okay?
it.
You got it? All right, perfect.
My phone is the charger that sucked, and I'm supposed to be going to get my kids, so I need to call them. You see my phone just...
I'm supposed to be going to get my kids. People that steal always got some important shit to be doing after they've been caught stealing. Don't y'all ever notice that?
Do you have any sort of receipt or anything like that from Walmart?
No.
Okay. Is it like at home or something like that? Or did you not get one?
It flew out. Yeah,
Okay, it flew
I
out.
don't never take receipt.
It flew out. I got to use that
I
one.
just turned my car back on because the
I
battery.
got you.
I'm
That's
finna say,
fine.
I ain't finna run that. Look. I do have insurance though. It's with State Farm. Maybe if I hold it like this.
Dispatch item 46. I just watched a car rear-end another car at Oakland and Stockholm. You might get a call for that here in a second.
Like, do they want me to come back up there?
I don't know. We got to get that sorted out.
Girl, you left the last seller you left the last seller return, baby. That's it.
There's two cops over there talking to them right now.
You
and getting
could.
it sorted out. So I'm going to hang out here with you until that's taken care of.
That's point of sale. I'm sorry.
I'm finna say it's through State Farm. I just had
Yeah, I
to
got
get
you.
it.
All right, you're good.
Yeah. Oh shit, it just died again.
It's fine. I saw it. All right, just hang tight here. I'll be back with you in a minute.
Stealing the stepdaddy car is crazy.
My phone. I need to call the crisis nursery. That's where my kids at.
Oh, I got you. You're headed over there?
Yeah, to get my kids. I mean, I could go back up there, but I was rushing to my kids. Like, I paid for everything.
Is that like a babysitting thing? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. Just hang tight here.
Tell them, I was finna say, I'll go right
Is she finna take off? If she's giving the vibes that she finna take off in that truck.
back up to Walmart, but I need to, you know what I'm saying?
I got
Get
you.
my kids.
Were they like trying to talk to you at Walmart and like
He said,
exactly how'd it go?
I'm
Explain it to me.
walking out and I'm on the phone and he was like, oh, I need to check and make sure you scanned
no.
everything. I'm like, I scanned everything and I kept walking.
Okay.
He just walked back in the thing. I'm like, what do you mean? Sis, like, I tried to get a receipt to the lady at the door. The lady was coming to the machine with me.
Yeah.
Scanning her thing, double checking the stuff.
Okay.
The lady at the kiosk.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll get it sorted out.
Okay.
I know one thing. Her back always on fire because them some tick old bitties. But why would you be stealing in your people car? Why not get a rental at least? And then you trying to pull up the insurance and your phone keep dying. So how you supposed to reach your kids if your phone keep dying?
Groceries.
And let them know what.
Yo,
Pull it over. Like, I'm supposed to be coming to.
Is your phone not working still?
Yeah, okay, it's coming on now.
Yeah, see if you can get it going.
this cop is super chill, by the way, too.
Hey, what do you guys got? Okay. Who is she? Who do you have? Okay, that's the card she used. Okay. Is it just like a really big black female with braids?
That's racist.
Oh, cool. All right. Oh yeah, that's what I got. Yeah. All right.
Oh, damn. They got you in 4K still. You could stick a fork in ya.
You want to just cook her and then I can do the tow sheet and everything like that. However you want to do it.
This is wild.
Okay.
I'm Officer Busfield. I got my body worn camera going. Can I have you turn the car off and step out and speak with me in the back of the truck, okay? Okay. So, are you Darnisha?
Yeah.
Okay. So I need you to turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for retail theft from Walmart, okay?
Damn.
But I didn't take nothing.
Okay. I'll explain some more of this to you here in a second.
Okay.
Okay?
Ooh.
Can I make a phone call then to tell them?
Girl, your ass was caught in 4K stealing. Like, they got a clear picture of you, and you got the same outfit on.
Give it a sec. I'm going to talk to you about the process for a second, and then we can do that, okay? 54, I got one in custody. All right, we're going to go to the back car, okay?
Okay. Would this be like an in and out process?
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
Unless it's the weekend, you should be good. But if not, if it's Friday, you ain't coming out till Monday.
Okay, because I got to get my kids from the place to nursery.
Okay. So give me a sec, actually. Just go ahead and take a seat. I'm going to read you your Miranda warning because I have you in custody, okay?
Uh-oh.
All right. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish, and you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements, okay? So I know that you were at Walmart. I just went and talked to them there.
Yeah.
What happened up at Walmart?
I was moving fast, like I said. I scanned everything. So if something didn't get scanned, it's only
Can we start with the notion that you wasn't stealing? Your ass was caught stealing in 4K. They wouldn't have went through all this trouble and interrupted, you know what I'm saying, playing on their phones or chilling in the car to come arrest your ass if you wasn't caught stealing. Just say you called me and gone and take the charge and call it a day.
I've doubled up and I'm scanning. That's why the lady kept coming over there. So I don't understand what I took.
Okay. So when I reviewed the surveillance footage, you purchased, I think there was 2 packs of ground pork or something.
Yeah, I scanned
along
them.
with another thing of meat.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you packaged both of those. You
Yeah.
scanned one. So you
I
didn't scan
scanned
the
it
second
twice.
one. They said that was what was happening with multiple stuff. Do you have the receipt?
You going to jail for stealing meat? Meat!
Walmart?
It's in my house, but I scanned that stuff twice. So I'm just not trying to see how I did it. You get what I'm saying?
Okay. So I watched the footage. You scanned the pork and it went right into the bag. You didn't have, it wasn't like 2 swipes of it and stuff like
And
that.
if that happened, it's because I was on the phone and I'm just moving fast because there's a lot going on right now.
No. You know when you stealing. Come on now.
So I'm just moving fast. My granddaddy in the hospital. I'm trying to get my kids. I'm trying to pick my kids up and get there. So I'm just on the phone. That's why I'm talking. And I'm just moving fast. I got linked. I went initially stole something.
Okay. When you were leaving the store, did somebody come up and try to talk to you?
He did, but I'm on the phone and I'm like, man, I scanned everything. I'm trying to get to my granddaddy.
Okay.
I didn't. You get what I'm saying?
So your Humpty Dumpty ass got a warning from a sales associate saying, hey, you didn't scan everything. You might want to go back. And you just played it off and just walked out. Like, it's always a warning before destruction. That was your warning to go back and see what happened. But you chose to leave.
If I come in that store a million times a day, literally a million times a day.
I like to come in the store too.
If I didn't scan something, it's only because I was moving fast and I'm trying to get to my granddaddy. I could come up there and pay for the stuff. It's not like I intentionally just stole. I never have stole nothing in there. I never have had this problem in there. That's why I didn't understand today. But I'm just moving fast, trying to get up out of there.
Okay. So if there was a problem, that's what they are trying to stop you and figure out with you when you left.
And you was being combative and you left like a jackass. Like, I mean, some people just like to go to jail, I see.
Ma, you get what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to my granddaddy.
I get you,
I
but
ain't never had that happen before, so I'm like, nah, he tripping. You get what I'm saying? Like,
but so if it's never happened before, wouldn't you think that something is off and you might want to figure out why they're thinking that you stole stuff?
Yeah,
because they had you scan one and put it away, you could have said, "Hey, this was a mistake. I'm trying to scan multiple. Can I pay for it?" But then they try to stop you, and you say you're too busy. You got all that stuff on your phone.
Right.
My granddaddy is on life support, so
I
really,
get you.
I'm trying to get to him. That's why I'm like, no, it can't be me. I scanned all of my stuff. I always scanned all of my stuff. I would have paid for it. I got linked. Like, come on, this is silly.
Okay. So where are the groceries that you did purchase?
In the back of that truck.
My house.
That's right.
Damn, she already took them home.
House. Same with the receipt.
I don't have the receipt.
It flew out the window.
You just told me that you left the receipt at the house.
I'm saying I don't know. It could have flew away. It could be in the house. I don't know. I don't keep up with the receipts.
Okay.
I always keep up with my receipts.
So all the stuff that you purchased is left at home right now?
Yes.
Okay.
It's at granddaddy's.
Did they get your driver's license from you?
No.
To be honest, I can understand how she feels if she's saying her granddaddy is on life support. Every time I've made a mistake at work as a truck driver is when somebody has died. So I can honestly understand why she feels like that.
Your license on you?
Oh yeah, he got my driver's license.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Where do you live at?
Around the corner.
All right. Give me one quick second, okay?
Okay, like I could pay for the stuff.
Okay.
It's past that, baby.
Give me a sec, all right?
It's past that.
Yeah, dude, as I was sitting here, a car just rear-ended the fuck out of another one right next.
I saw him sitting there.
Yeah.
Did you have her ID?
Yeah. Got her ID in her phone.
That's just like what that cop that got rear-ended and pinned between the car. He lost his leg.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Big drug bust, boys. Big bust.
All right. Darnisha, I'm going to have you step out. I need to search you before I put you back in the car.
Okay.
Should have
Darnisha?
done that beforehand, but...
That's cool.
Do you have anything on you that's sharp, anything like that? Okay. Do you have pockets on those clothes? Okay. So I'm just going to check around the waistband, make sure that you don't have anything, okay?
Okay.
Everything right here.
I want to go get the groceries. Like,
It's over, baby. You might as well enjoy the groceries because the charger that's coming with that is crazy.
I mean, they do want their property that wasn't paid for back, but it's
Kind
over
of
at
too
the
late
house
that.
already. And no one else is there to do it. But so Walmart does want to press charges for the products that weren't paid for.
Damn.
So we're gonna take you over to the jail. You're gonna be processed and then released probably with a notice to appear on a different court date, whenever that is. I'm not sure off the top of my head. And then somewhere around there. And then they'll release you with that notice to appear, okay?
what about my car?
So your car is being towed
Why though?
because it was used in the commission of a crime. And then there's...
Well, stepdaddy gonna go to golf. He got to go get his truck out the impound because you was caught stealing in it. What the hell was you thinking?
here to drive
I
in.
got somebody that could come. You know what?
The first part is also the reason why. Because you drove off with it while they were trying to...
In the commission of a
The
crime.
crime was committed. That's what I'm saying. Like,
Okay. Well, I'll give you...
So she just gonna keep playing stupid.
can we call? Can you see if they get their stuff back and I pay for it? Can they not press charges?
So
Can you just ask them?
We talked to them, and before I even finished with that report, I said, "Do you want charges for the property taken?" And they said, "Yeah, they want to press charges because you passed through the last point of sale for it."
You notice that all the time. There's a lot of people that get caught, and then they offer to give the stuff back. Well,
But I didn't even know I was stealing the stuff. It's not like the stuff wasn't getting scanned. That's what I'm saying. I was
Come on, the gig is over. It's time to go.
moving fast.
All
My
right.
granddaddy on life support.
Okay,
so I'm on the
we finna
phone.
go.
I'm moving fast. It's not like I'm being sneaky, throwing stuff in the bag, tossing stuff in the bag. That's what I'm saying. Like, I honestly was not aware that I was not scanning the stuff.
Okay.
That's the whole thing. But if I'm finna get charged with it, it don't make no sense for them to get the stuff back. They charging me.
Well, they're charging you with the crime, but they still have a right to get their property.
Okay.
All right.
That's like double whammy.
Go ahead and take a seat back in the car, okay?
I need my keys. They got my. So how much is the tow
So it'll be a $410 tow from Joe's Towing.
to get the car back?
They taxing out there. It's only like shit, $250, $230 at the most. What the hell is you doing, child? Please stop.
My stepdaddy had to come get it.
Whoever the registered owner of the vehicle is.
I got stuff that I need to get out the car.
Like what?
My daughter's stuff, my purse, my stuff in the car.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
if you
right.
need something like your purse, I can take that out and bring it with you. But we can't have you bring like all the kids' stuff from the car to the jail or anything like that.
This is crazy, and I didn't even commit a crime.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Is it in
Oh my God. Get over yourself at this. You didn't know, but the sales associate told you that everything was a scam and you still left.
I didn't even know it didn't get scanned. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Like, I was just moving fast because my granddaddy on life support.
I get you, but
ain't
like
gonna
I said, they tried to stop you. You didn't stop to explain the situation. You passed the last point of sale.
Yeah, because
So
I
that's-
had
that's a retail
scanned
theft.
everything. I didn't. It
You
didn't.
didn't.
I did though.
She not gonna never tell the truth.
If you did, they wouldn't have called us, and I wouldn't have seen on the video that you scanned one pork and put 2 in a bag.
So
Hello.
what is this, like $20 worth of stuff?
Their estimate was about 100, but because
Hell
you left
no.
with stuff, they don't know exactly. They're trying to figure that out.
It was
At least it's under $750.
no $100 worth of stuff.
Okay. Well, Narnisha,
Okay,
need
so
to take
do
a
you
seat.
have my
Okay.
phone
Yep, I got your phone. Your ID is up there with me.
and my keys? Because my house keys is on there.
Okay, I'll go grab those.
The woman was charged with retail theft.
Nah, that's crazy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. So don't forget to hit that like, comment, and that share button as well. What did you guys think about this lady? She just had it in her mind that she was not going to admit to stealing, even though she was on camera stealing. You know what I'm saying? And these type of people, I hate people that don't take accountability. She's one of those people that she never takes accountability for nothing. She's just gonna keep giving excuses. Even when the proof is in the pudding, even when it's right there in your face, it shows you stealing. She'll never take accountability. But what do you guys think about this? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And that's it, baby. We out.